So, you need to back you up.
Nope, I'm just making sure that.
And that line is fishing what, about 2 feet underwater?
It's got a weight on each end. So whatever, I guess it depends how much slack. You expect to get hung up on the front.